Hey everyone! Want to create an amazing builds like castles or tree houses in Roblox Studio? Here's a quick guide to get you started. First, open the Roblox Studio and start a new project using a base plate template. And use the part tool to add basic blocks, scale and position them to form walls, floors, and platforms. And for a tree house, you can use a cylinder parts for a trunk and blocks for platforms. And for a castle, you can duplicate the blocks to create towers and add cylinders parts for rounded walls. And here you can customize your builds with materials like woods or stones and add a detailed from the toolbox if you want to add windows, doors, and more. And that's how you start building castles or tree houses in Roblox. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.